Hi there, Melody from WTI. And whether you've got sore muscles, whether you want to make your ride a little more comfortable or your work day a little more comfortable, you need one of these seat cushions from Dream Car. So this Dreamer Car Wedge seat cushion is what everyone needs. Whether it's used as the driver's seat or whether it's in the passenger seat, it fits perfectly. I love the quality of this. I love how comfortable it is. You just sink into it a little bit and yet it gives you just a little bit of extra height for us short people. So the non-slip rubber bottom and the elastic strap is going to keep the seat in place, even in sudden movement or stops. Now, the other kind of material is a 3D breathable mesh fabric. So it's going to help keep the air circulating freely. It's going to help avoid sweating, and it's going to make it ideal for use during hot weather. The comfortable cushion is made out of a dense and slow rebound memory foam. So it's going to be perfect for those long rides, those short rides, whenever you use it. You sink into it a little bit and it's just the perfect comfort. The non-slip rubber material is perfect also if you're using it on a chair, whether you're at your kitchen table or whether you're working at your office. And here's a little surprise, an invisible zipper. I bet you didn't see that one when I was showing it off. But it's perfect because it's going to help make your cushion last longer. So whenever we get the inevitable spills, we're going to be able to take off the cushion cover, wash it, and keep on using it. With so many different colors you can get to, this is the perfect cushion for yourself, for your passenger, or even to give as a gift. That's my point of view.